Well, it wasn't exactly a quiet New Year's Eve at the Rideau Center. A celebrity sighting had fans chasing after a star, snapping selfies and yelling out their admiration. It was a spontaneous moment of excitement. However, it wasn't quite what it seemed. CTV's Leah LaRocque explains.
Wait, is that Rihanna? Strolling through the Rideau Center?
Can I get one picture?
If it seems too good to be true, it actually is. It's Ottawa's own Rihanna lookalike.
It was more like on Instagram pictures when I see specific photos, if I wear red lipstick or whatever, people would be like, oh my God, you look like Rihanna. And I was like, okay, well.
Hey guys, it's Gloria.
This sketch comedy group with their own YouTube video deciding to pull off the ultimate New Year's Eve prank.
Ottawa's like a quiet city, so we're like, yo, we should totally kind of stir things up and kind of bring some excitement to the city.
In order to pull the whole thing off, it took weeks of planning, including renting their own luxury car, finding paparazzi, bodyguards, and of course, some fake fans.
My role is to get everyone to come and convince that she's Rihanna. So everyone, I don't know why, everyone kept asking me, is it her? I kept saying, yeah, it's her. She tweeted it out. I just kept making a bunch of lies.
I'm trying to be Rihanna in the same mall that I just walked in. Nobody even cared for me, bro.
Within minutes, Rihanna was sighted. Fans flocked, everyone wanting a picture. Social media erupting.
Like literally the second we got home, all these tweets came in, all of these messages from my friends saying, oh my God, Ayana, can't believe you pulled that off.
Even watching the whole event unfold, they can't believe the buzz.
I was so nervous in this specific scene.
Picture with my daughter?
But even after a successful prank,
I would never want to be famous after that. I'd never want to be a celebrity. It was crazy. People were following me.
leaving being Rihanna to the real one. Leah LaRocque, CTV News.